Okay, this is one of the things I got at school. A teacher was getting rid of. She's going to throw it away. One of the legs was missing, but we fixed it in no time. And the Legos didn't come with it, but the green stuff on top, it was already on there. So that was pretty nice. And this is some more stuff I got. The teacher was throwing that decoration away. And that basket was being thrown away. It's just got a top slat that's loose, so I'll fix that. And I got a ton of paint samples. That's just a few of them. A ton. I left a ton. And this little lunchbox was thrown away. Looks brand new. I disinfected it. We'll use it for him to store some crafts or something in. And you see the back of that chair? The chairs were in the dumpster, all four, because one of the seats are loose. But I'll fix that. And then later, she gave me the table. I don't know if you can tell what it looks like, but the legs of the table looks like the legs of these chairs. And this is going to be my craft room. I won't mess up my dining room table anymore. It's just our neglected den. It's got crown molding piled up there. Junk everywhere. I ain't going to scan the whole room. But, so this table will be perfect. So I was happy about that. Just want to share that with y'all.